Hey there, I'm Tommy, and this is my awesome puppy Sniffles. Today, Sniffles is becoming a karate master in our Zen Garden dojo. Look at him go! Uh-oh, watch out for that cherry blossom, buddy. Oops, he's all tangled up in his bandana, but Sniffles never gives up. Whoa, did you see that spin? He's like a fluffy tornado. Aw, he knocked over the sand rake. It's okay, Sniffles, keep trying. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Sniffles just did a perfect move. It's like he's dancing with the cherry blossoms. Way to go, Sniffles. You're a real karate pup now. Remember, friends, it's okay to be silly when you're learning. Just like Sniffles, if you keep trying, you'll get better and have fun too.